Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You need the essentials first: a compatible Android phone, carrier RCS support, and the latest Messages app. Once done, open Messages and sign into your Google account so settings sync. Next, tap the three dots, choose Settings, then Chat Features. You're starting the activation flow. This negotiates RCS capabilities with your carrier and Google. Make sure Wi-Fi is on during setup to avoid SMS fallback. This gets you into the activation step fast. Do that now. Once in Chat Features, toggle it on and follow prompts to verify your phone number. You'll usually receive an automatic code or background verification. If activation stalls, toggle airplane mode briefly, then retry. This forces a recheck. After activation, configure read receipts and typing indicators so you control privacy and experience. Also set media upload quality to balance speed versus resolution. These choices determine how messages send and display, and why your conversations will be richer and more reliable. Now verify that chat features show connected. Send a test message to another RCS user to confirm blue conversation bubbles and higher quality media. If features don't appear, restart your phone and reopen Messages. That often finishes background registration. If problems persist, clear Messages app cache, then retry activation. One key troubleshooting tip: if activation never reaches connected, contact your carrier to confirm RCS provisioning or check Google's service status. These are usually the underlying blockers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.